Lack of awareness is not the only reason insurance has not had greater outreach. Various misconceptions also surround the industry, as it is often deemed too expensive and only for people who are rich.
The Insurance Council is really keen to create awareness around the insurance products that are available and to educate people around those products. So we've just started doing articles that will go in the daily paper, the two newspapers, but around educating people around like, for example, cyclone cover. That's the first one, about why it's there, what you need to do to get it, those sorts of things, to educate people a bit more on the products and to try and take away any of the misconceptions that may be there about what the intention of cover is.
We regulate the industry. We need to make sure that all the insurers are solvent, they're working well. We have not regulated their costs or their premium levels. But I think in this instance we're trying to work with the industry to make things more affordable for our people. So this is the reason why we have financial inclusion, why we have the importance of bringing the insurers together with ourselves and with the other stakeholders to try and provide affordable products and services, which includes insurance.
The misconceptions generally out there is that insurance companies are making too much money and they're only covering items that that doesn't happen. Figures will suggest that the likelihood of any event such as fire and earthquakes is there, and we have to price for those events.
A 2015 study has also shed light on why many people in Fiji from across all communities have not taken up insurance. The effort to further insurance coverage and financial inclusion has seen groundbreaking teamwork and collaboration among key stakeholders from both the private and public sectors, including NGOs, civil society, and donor development partners.
Insurance Working Group is obviously a subgroup out of the National Financial Inclusion Task Force. Our remits basically are to make Fiji financially more inclusive. That's the bigger picture. As far as the working group is concerned, we got to drive the same message as far as insurance is concerned, to get more Fijians insured. As mentioned already, just under 10% of households in Fiji are insured. So the working group's job is to basically ensure that the numbers increase.
To ensure there is more financial inclusion, the Reserve Bank of Fiji is developing regulations to enable the development and provision of inclusive insurance products.
It's a normal procedure in terms of oversight of the insurers. At the end of the day, it's to ensure that the insurers, in this case, are solvent, and the policyholders are covered in terms of what they already have in terms of their policies with the insurers.
In another pioneering move, the industry is currently working to develop inclusive insurance products within the Inclusive Insurance Working Group that was set up under the National Financial Inclusion Task Force. These new insurance products will be launched shortly, together with a public education program to raise awareness and understanding of insurance.
We have come up with a product that addresses the key issue highlighted by our survey, which is affordability. We are currently in the process of drafting a product which we intend charging $50 for the year, and will provide $10,000 worth of cover, $3,000 for the household, $3,000 for personal accident, $3,000 for death, and another $1,000 for medical, giving you your $10,000 package. So that would make the policy fairly affordable.
To get the public prepared for the launch of these insurance products, the RBF and PFIP are undertaking a campaign to raise awareness, featuring real-life stories such as those of Vesa Masama, Jatan, and the Kumars, among others. The focus is to make a breakthrough in getting people aware of what insurance is, how it works, and why it is important for them. This campaign will launch in the coming week and will involve TV ads, radio ads, a Facebook page, and other awareness material which a combined industry team have been looking at over the last few weeks.
This campaign is targeting those people who we think are most likely to make a decision and be able to do something about insurance, and telling people that insurance is affordable and that there is a product out there for you. If you just need to shop around and talk to people.
The focus of this effort is to ensure that the public is introduced to the concept of insurance. And for those that have experienced the benefits of insurance, the message is clear.
There's only one life, and health insurance ensures that you continue to be looked after, even in cases where you fall sick, in cases you have some conditions that cannot be treated in Fiji. There's a chance to go overseas and have another go at life.
I would encourage everyone, especially youths, to take up insurance, because we do not know what will happen next in our life.
I urge everyone to have insurance cover on their investments. It will make our lives much better and easier.
The back of the mind, you know that if anything's going to happen, the insurance company will cover for it. So you don't have to worry about all those things. And that's a big load off your mind, a big load off your chest.
If you have a family, take out insurance. Please remember, these things can happen to any of us. It can happen to you today, it can happen to you next week, it can happen to you next month.